Good evening, everyone. This is Stephanie Hahn, a public health intern for your local nonprofit medical organization, the Rexburg Free Clinic. Beginning January 2022, the Rexburg Free Clinic will be offering mental health counseling and medication management treatment options. This comes as mental health is a rising topic and one that we're proud to talk about, treat, and educate the public on. This has been a recurring topic of concern among our patients, and it goes without saying that it's a concern of ours as well. Current data released by the CDC shows that 1 in 4 adults suffer from a mental illness. Of those that have a mental illness, they typically have at least one additional mental health illness working against them, meaning that, for example, if you have anxiety, it's very likely that you will also have depression. The CDC also reports that serious mental health illnesses cost America $193.2 billion each year in lost earnings. Our local hospital provides additional data regarding our community's mental health needs. Madison Memorial Hospital, some of you should be very familiar with this place, as an active participant in our community, has reported that the emergency department receives more than 400 mental health related visits annually. That averages to be 1.1 mental health related visits per day. In an effort to make mental health treatment both more accessible and affordable, the Rexburg Free Clinic will be offering free mental health counseling and medication management treatments. These services are best suited to those of our community who have mental health illnesses, concerns, or family medical histories of mental health illnesses. All members of the community are welcome, though the clinic does aim to serve those who do not have financial means of receiving medical treatment. Like this, the clinic will never turn a patient away, and we do not require any proof of income level, uninsured, or underinsured status. One of our current patients, Tanner Thomas, is currently seeing us for mental health treatment, and we asked him to share his experience with you, and this is what he said. The Rexburg Free Clinic has been a huge help to me, and the fact that counseling is available to anyone for free is amazing. They really understand depression and anxiety days. If you need any similar help, don't hesitate to give them a try. Our extensive mental health service will begin in January of 2022. That's just a little under 2 months away. And now is the perfect time to contact us if you are interested in receiving treatment at the clinic. You can schedule appointments by calling or texting us at 208-716-8722. Thank you so much for listening, and you can learn more information about the clinic at rexburgfreeclinic.com.